What up, my E&E squad, man? What's going on? You know what I'm saying? Out here at the shop. You see where I'm at? Today we got a special video, man. Y'all remember the previous video I had recorded from the 1973 Impala? Right here, it's right in front of me too. I'm gonna show y'all right now. Y'all see it right there. It look way much better, 100%. You know what I'm saying? They finna put some transmission fluid in there, cause they tried to drive it, but like when you knock the car out of gear, it ain't move. So you just need some transmission fluid. That's all. Yeah, y'all see it, man. You know what I'm saying? Got the brand new pulley system and all, chrome, everything chrome. Himself right here. Say what up to the vlog, Pop.
E&E custom. E&E. See what we do right here? Straight from the muscle. A lot of hard work and dedication.
Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Y'all see what's going on. Yeah. Y'all see where we at. Right. Y'all see him. Yeah. That's what I'm saying, man. Oh, I've got one more thing, y'all. Y'all see this box right here? If y'all wonder what that is, that's the EFI. It controls the whole motor. It controls the system, everything. So it comes with a tablet right there. So like you can control your motor. So if anything goes wrong with the motor, you just have the tablet. You can idle it. Anything else you want.
Only if you suck that water down.
Got the fuel pump box over here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm gonna catch y'all when we start him up.
Okay.
One eternity later.
We back again, man. I forgot about that, y'all. I forgot to tell y'all that the car had started up. But yeah, here you go. Y'all hear it? It's running too. Y'all see it? It's running. Oh, it's moving too. It's moving. You know what I'm saying? Oh, we're gonna cut that out. We're just testing it out because we have to put fluid in there, so we had to put some transmission fluid because the car wasn't moving. So it looks like it's moving all right now. You know what I'm saying? See, the thing is, it only works when it's in reverse. I don't know why not working in drive. So I gotta put some more fluid on there or something. I don't know. We'll catch y'all in a little bit when we drive it on the road. So. Alright, y'all, I've been tested out on the road, you know what I'm saying? Test it out on the road. Try to catch up to him real quick. Testing it out, that's all. Testing it out, you know what I'm saying? Come back when you get to the other side.
A few moments later.
Coming down the street, you know what I'm saying? Coming down the street. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Yo. Y'all know where I'm at too. I'm standing right behind this Donk. That's his car. The other car, that's his cousin's car, so. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Backing out. He finna come back down this way. Let's see what he could do. There he is. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. You know what I'm saying?
Man, he ain't even come. I just did the test drive. It ran pretty good. It shifted through all its gears. Got to break the motor in right now. So I'm just cruising and taking it easy until I break the motor in. After 600 miles, the motor be broken and then I can get on it.
Yeah, y'all heard what he said. Y'all heard what he said. Y'all follow through. It's reading the RPMs. Oh, I gotta put my hand over it because that sun. See, everything good. It's reading the RPMs and all. You know what I'm saying? Coolant, everything. Alright, y'all. Finna end it, man. Make sure y'all like and make sure y'all go like and subscribe. Make sure y'all turn on that post notification, man. And yeah, I'm out.